If you're making money online with email marketing, you may stumble upon the same problem that I'm encountering myself every single day, and that's people not opening the emails. There are literally over 750 emails in one of my email inboxes that I use for like promotional emails or spam emails, junk emails, pretty much emails that I know I'm not going to be reading, and there's like 99% chance that I'm not going to be opening every single one of these emails, and that's the case for the emails you are sending out as well. If you're promoting something while email marketing, there's huge chance most of the people who are going to receive the email are not going to open it, and it's going to end up in spam or even in trash. But if you're relying on these emails to actually make you money, this is not the best case scenario. That's why in today's video I'm going to show you how to actually engage with people from all over the world using social media. I'm going to show you one simple free tool that you can use to completely automate this process, so once you're going to set it up, it's going to be working for you 24/7 even in your sleep, and it's going to be making you money. I was testing this method out and I was able to generate over $1,300 in affiliate commissions with just a little over 2,300 clicks to my affiliate links on Digistore24 platform. But because of this one simple change that you're going to do right at the beginning, they are going to notice you instead of all the other thousands of spam emails they are going to receive every single day. So before I show you all of this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also to help me with the YouTube algorithm, just make sure to go to the comment section below and let me know if you prefer reading emails or messages in your chat box. And now just let's get started. Also guys, I'm looking for 5 serious action takers who would like to join my one-on-one coaching program, where I'm going to be teaching you exactly how I'm making over $12,000 per month with completely done for you affiliate marketing system and without spending a single cent for traffic. So if you want to apply for one of the 5 free spots that I have decided to open, just go to the first pinned comment right below this video, check out a short introduction that I have prepared for you, then just go ahead and fill out a short application form so I can actually verify that you are going to be a right fit for this program. And after that, I'm hoping to see you in the free one-on-one interaction call with me personally, where I'm going to be welcoming you to the program. So just go ahead, check out the first pinned comment right below this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside. So today I'm going to show you how to utilize this platform called ManyChat.com to actually automate all the messaging that you can do on social media and actually use it to promote any affiliate product that you may want to go for, or actually how to grow your email list using this exact same tool. The main difference is because you are actually going to be engaging with the potential future leads before you actually send them the first email. They are going to remember you in a much better light if you're going to spend a couple of minutes chatting them up in the chat box, and later down the road they are going to probably remember your email apart from everybody else's. But don't worry, because you don't have to be actually chatting yourself with thousands of people every single day to make this work. I'm going to show you how to completely automate this process using ManyChat. And also on top of that, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial how to set up a very simple affiliate marketing strategy that I'm using myself to generate results just like this on Warrior Plus, using this completely automated affiliate marketing system. And pretty much what you can do is just go ahead and set it up yourself, test it out if it's something actually that's going to be working for you, because as you can see right here with results just like this, I've got live proof that is working for me. So even if you are not going to take action on this, I've got results to prove that it's something that actually works, so there's no way you are going to prove me otherwise. So to get started, head over to your favorite affiliate marketplace, and I'm going to use Digistore24 for this. But if you don't want to be using Digistore and you've got other affiliate marketplace in mind that you want to use instead, just go ahead, sign up for your account, or if you don't have one, sign in. Just go ahead, sign into your account, and if you don't have one, just sign up and go to the affiliate marketplace. Now what I like to do when I'm testing methods just like this out is use products that are going to be always pretty good converting, and most of those you can find in the health and fitness section, because people are going to be trying to lose weight for the entire part of the year, so you don't have to go ahead and filter by the season that you are going to be doing this method in. Now pretty much let's go with this ultimate keto meal plan, which has been on Digistore for quite some time now, and I had success with promoting it in the past, so I'm going to show you how to do it with this product. But keep in mind guys, the type of affiliate product you are going to be promoting is going to also mirror the results you are going to get. Now pretty much this product is averaging $17 on average for every single sale you are going to get. You may not make thousands of dollars just by promoting this one alone, but if you are going to use this strategy with different affiliate products, you can make literally a couple $100 in the first 24 hours. That's how powerful this method is. So pretty much just choose the product that you want to go with, and you want to grab its affiliate link. And because I've been promoting this product before, I do have my link ready right here, and it's going to be looking pretty much exactly the same for you. Is to go to this website right here that's called ManyChat.com. just go there and you want to sign up for your free account using the Get Started button. And once you're going to log in into your account, you can choose for which platform you want to go for. You can do this for Instagram, for Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and also Telegram. And to actually maximize the results that you're going to get with this, I highly suggest that you're going to set up the exact automation for each of these platforms, and it's going to be a lot easier than you think so. Pretty much I'm going to choose Facebook Messenger because I want to show you how I did this with Facebook Messenger. So just choose the platform you want to go with and you want to go to automation. Click on automation, and what you want to do here is just pretty much set up a very simple messenger automation by pressing this button. And if you don't want to bother yourself with setting up one from scratch, you can just go ahead and use one of these pre-made templates. Now pretty much what I highly suggest is that you're going to select the first one that's like a lead magnet, because that way you are going to grow your contacts list and you can promote to them later. So once you're going to select the template, it's going to look something like this. And if this is looking too confusing, don't worry guys, because you don't have to do pretty much anything right here other than customize a bunch of these pre-made messages that I'm going to show you how to actually do, and it's going to be working like clockwork. So what you want to do is just go through these messages and customize them according to the product that you have chosen to go for. And because I'm going with this Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, I'm going to customize it accordingly. So what you want to do first is add a trigger that's going to start the messaging sequence, and to do that just pretty much click on this button and you want to add a bunch of keywords that's going to actually start your messaging sequence. So because I'm using Keto Meal Plan, I'm going to start with something like keto, diet, weight loss, meal plan, and pretty much a bunch of keywords that are related to the product you are going to be promoting. And once you're going to add a bunch of those in there, you are good to move on. So let's go to this first message, and as you can see right here, the template has already pre-made a message just like this. All you gotta do now is just customize it, and you want to offer something from the sales page of the product. Just go to the sales page, and as you can see, this one is offering a free video message that's going to educate people on benefits of keto diet. So what I'm going to do here is just pretty much write in there losing weight instead of the generic template text right here. Then I'm going to also delete this image because it really doesn't fit in there, so just go ahead and delete it just like that. And also I want to customize this button. Pretty much I'm going to write in there watch the video here and customize the button as well. Then I'm going to move to the next message that's going to be looking something like this, and I'm also going to go ahead and customize this text to fit the theme. So I will write in there so I know where to send the video link, and I'm going to get rid of this text right here just like that. Okay, and as you can see right here, it's going to wait for the contact to actually write in their email address until it's going to take them to the next step. Now the next step is going to be depending on whether they are going to input their email address or not, and if they are not going to follow it, and if they are not going to follow through with their email address, it's going to send them this reminder message, which I'm going to also customize to something like this, which is going to bring me to another step, which I'm going to customize just as well. And also for the second option, which is going to actually capture the email address of the potential leads, I'm going to customize it into something like this. And also for the last message, I'm going to do this. And also for the last message, I'm going to do the same. Once you're going to customize these messages, you can just go ahead and add your own if you feel like it to make this campaign more enticing. And also I strongly suggest you are going to set up a follow-up campaign that's going to follow after this one, so you can keep engaged with the contact and actually make them more aware of the product you are going to be promoting. All you gotta do is just pretty much select a template just like this, customize it exactly how I showed you with the text, as if you were messaging with the person instead of this pre-made template, and then you just pretty much want to set it live. Now you can see that a campaign has been activated. All you gotta do now is just pretty much go to Facebook and just find a bunch of groups for the niche of the product that you are going to be promoting, and just pretty much create like one simple post with some keto recipe that you can get literally for free on YouTube, just like a video recipe for like a keto friendly dessert, and actually write a call to action into the post, something like DM me keto for more free recipes, or to receive your free keto food, or to receive your free keto cookbook, and just do it for a bunch of these groups. And once you're going to do that, people are going to start messaging you, and all their contact information is going to be sent to your contacts folder on ManyChat, and you can create multiple automation campaigns and start to promote to them the affiliate product using the automated sequence that's going to be working for you 24/7 on complete autopilot. Now this is going to be working exactly the same as the automated email sequence, but because people are not usually very keen to read emails, they are more than happy to open every single chat box that's going to pop up on their phone. That's why the engagement rate is going to be through the roof, and the clicks to your affiliate link are going to be multiple times what you would get using the email sequence. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to stay tuned for more money making content. And now if you want to see some more money making videos that I have released previously, check out this playlist right here. Choose one that you like the most and I'm going to see you there.